We'll guide you through how to make icon logo vector in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the search bar to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application on your computer. After the browser launches, click the address bar, type Figma, and press enter. From the search results, go to the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before continuing, make sure you're logged into your Figma account. Next, start a new project by clicking plus design file from the dashboard. After creating the file, the edit page of your project will open and display a blank canvas. Insert the icon image that you want to recreate as a vector. For this tutorial, we will use the Figma logo as an example. Open the folder that contains the icon image, then click, hold, and drag the file onto the Figma canvas to place it in your project. Once the image is on the canvas, press or on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. Click on the edge of one section of the icon as your starting point and begin drawing a rectangle that matches its size and shape. After one section has been outlined, adjust the corner radius settings individually by clicking individual corners in the Properties panel. Modify the curvature of each corner until it closely matches the original logo shape. Once the first section is complete, press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Move the duplicated shape into position and repeat the same process for every remaining part logo. Continue adjusting sizes and corner until all sections accurately represent the original icon. After all parts have been created, change their fill colors so they closely match the colors used in the original logo. When everything looks correct, select all the recreated shapes on the canvas. Finally, press Ctrl+E to combine them into a single vector component set.